Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the mathematics. Today I will explain you how you can solve the unit step functions problem related to the Laplace transformation. Myself Dr. Harish Garg. You can follow my YouTube channel where you can find the playlist of the mathematics 2 and you can find the various lectures related to the Laplace transformations and the other topics of the subject mathematics. So what is the unit step function? It is also called as the Heaviside function. That is, whenever you have a point 0, then after the point 0 the value will be 1, otherwise it's 0. Or you can also define in journal, instead of the 0, if I say any of the point which is defined as A, after that the value will be 1 and before that the value will be 0. Fine. So that's the meaning of the unit step function. That is a constant value after the particular time, otherwise it's a 0. It is usually denoted by h of t or h of t minus a, but sometimes it is also be denoted as a u of t, like this function as a u of t, and this function is called as ut minus a. Or it can also be written like the subscript uat, like what is the meaning of the u1t? That means the function value will be 1 when it is greater than or equal to 1, otherwise 0. It's less than 1. If I ask right here as a pi, that means whenever the value is greater than pi, then the value is 1. If it is a less than pi, it's my 0. For example, how you can express this number? So clearly say, whenever, what is the meaning of that? It's a unit step function. Either you can write as a u or h. That means whenever the value is greater than or equal to pi, this number will be 1. So 1 into cos t is my cos of t. And whenever t is less than pi, this number will be my 0. So 0 multiply cos is my 0. Similarly, if you write here, it's a t minus 2. So it's a greater than of 2 and less than 2. Whenever t is my greater than 2, this number will be my 1. So t square into 1, t cube into 1 is t cube. Whenever this is my less than 2, this number will be 0. 0 into t cube is my here. Fine. So it is just like say on and off button. So it's a wide application in the engineering field. So we can define like this manner. Now the question arises is how you can write any of the discontinuous function in the terms of unit step function. Again, it's a very simple. You can express the function, the first function, that is f1, into u of lower limit. The lower limit is a. So t minus a minus u of upper function t minus b, plus similarly we can do for the second function u, lower limit is my b, so t minus b minus u upper limit, that's a t minus c. This is the way you can express any of the function in the form of unit step function. Also you can replace the u by h also. I can define this is h t minus a minus h t minus b plus f2 and similarly of this manner. Also you can express this function in this manner also, f1 u a of t minus, I can put as a bracket, u b of t plus f2 and here. Fine. Similarly, how you can find the Laplace of this? Always remember Laplace of f of t u of t minus a. It is always be equal to e raised to power minus as for this. And remember, whenever you are using the shifting second theorem, or you can say the unit step function, you have to replace this number by e raised to power minus s and replace small t to be the t plus a. So that means the remaining thing is Laplace of t plus a. That could be easy once we will see how you can solve with the help of the examples. So let's see how you can solve this with the help of example. So first target is express the function in the terms of unit step function. So how you can write that? It's a t square u of t minus 0 minus u of t minus 2 plus second function is my 4 of t into, now you can see I can return this function as this manner. So the lower limit is only by t minus 2, and there is an infinity, there is no need to write. Now I can open this bracket because you can see this number and this number will be common. So it's a u square, a t square, u of t. I can take u of t minus 2 as a common. So what is the inside term? It's a minus of t square plus 4t. So this is the expression of the unit step function. Now your target is to find the Laplace transformation. I can find the Laplace transformation of this. So that is a Laplace of t square u of t plus Laplace of u of t minus 2 into minus t square plus 4t. Now I will use this concept. Fine. Whenever you have to find the u, I can replace small t to be the t plus a. So you can see, can you compare this expression with the u of t minus a? What is the a in this case? A will be my 0. Fine. So I can write this expression as e raised to power minus 0s Laplace of, I can replace small t to be the t plus 0. So that's the same thing. Fine. Plus, what is the a? A is my 2s. Then I can replace the value to be the t to t plus 2. So t plus 2 square I can replace here. I can replace also at here. Fine. Now this is the way you can solve it. Now e raised to power 0 is 1. What is the Laplace of the t square? Gamma function of 3 over s cube. E raised to power minus of 2s Laplace of, I can open this square, it's a square, b square minus this plus 4t plus 8. So 4t will be cancelled out. Gamma function of 3 will be 2 of s cube plus e raised to power minus 2s Laplace of minus t square plus 4. Now can you find the Laplace of this? It is a very easy. 2s cube e raised to power minus 2s Laplace of t square is a similar of this, is a 2 over s cube. Laplace of the constant is 1 over s is the right answer of this problem. Look at the second example. First thing is you have to write in the unit step function. So how I can write that? E raised to power minus of t u of t minus lower limit minus t of upper limit. Fine. Plus is a 0 into u of t minus 3. I can open this bracket, e raised to power minus of t u of t minus e raised to power minus of t u of t minus 3. This is the expression of the unit step function. Now your target is to find the Laplace of the t. So I can take the Laplace on these terms. So Laplace of u of t minus Laplace of e raised to power minus of t u of t minus 3. Now again, what is the a in this case? A is my 0. So I can return this is e raised to power minus 0s. I can replace small t to be the t plus a. So in this case a is 0, so that is the remain same. Now in this case, what is the a? A is my 3. So e raised to power minus 3s Laplace of t plus 3. So I can replace them to be t plus 3. E raised to power 0 is 1. Laplace of the exponential is s minus a. E raised to power minus 3s Laplace of e raised to power minus of t into e raised to power minus 3. Now you can see this number is constant which is outside. So 1 over s plus 1 e raised to power minus 3s e raised to power minus 3 Laplace of this number. So what is the answer of this? 1 over s plus 1. This I can combine them. So minus 3s minus 3. Laplace of this will be s plus 1. So I can take the LCM. S plus 1 e raised to power minus 3s minus 3 is the right answer of this problem. Always remember that you have to replace the function by here after comparing the number to be this number. Look at this another question. First of all, you have to write this function whenever t is my greater than or equal to 2 and t is my less than 2. What is that t greater than 2? It's a positive number. Whenever t is less than 2, it is my negative number. Always remember, student, if you all knows the Laplace of this, it will be 1 over s square minus 2 over s. But remember, if you want to find the Laplace of this, you can never be written like of this because of this modulus value. So you have to open this firstly. Now you can open this. Now it's a similar of these cases. So you can write in the unit step function. So t minus of 2 u of, okay, firstly, because it's a Laplace transformation, the Laplace start from the 0 to infinity. So I can write this, the Laplace start from the 0. So I can write this term as 0 less than t. Upper limit is my infinity, so it is here. So it is t minus 2 only, plus for the second component 2 minus t into u of t minus 0, that is here, and u of t minus 2. Fine. Now I can open this bracket if this component will be common. So I can write as 2 minus t of u of t plus u of t minus 2 I can take as a common. So it is my it is a t minus 2 minus, it will be the negative, so I can change the sign, plus of t. Fine. So it is 2 minus t of u of t plus 2t minus 4 of u times t minus 2. Now you can find the Laplace transformation of this. What is the Laplace of ft? So what is the Laplace of this? In this case, a will be my 0. So e raised to power minus 0s Laplace of 2 minus t plus, what is that? In this case, you can see a will be my 2. So e raised to power minus 2s Laplace of, I can replace small t to the t plus 2. So that means 2 times t plus 2 minus 4. Fine. E raised to power 0 is 1. So that is basically Laplace of 2 minus t plus e raised to power minus 2s. If I open this bracket, it is only Laplace of 2t. Now I can find Laplace of that 2 is my 2 by s minus 1 over s square plus e raised to power minus 2s. It is my 2 over s square is the right answer of the problem. Look at this another one. Firstly, you can express this function in the unit step function. It's a 4 u of t minus 0 minus u of t minus 1 plus 3 times u of t minus 1. So if I open this bracket, it's a 4 u of t minus 4 plus 1, it's a u of t minus 1. Now can you find the Laplace of this? So what is the Laplace of, in this case, a is my 0 and I can replace t to be the t plus 0, but there is no t, so I can simply write as a 4. E raised to power minus 1s Laplace of 1, because there is no other terms. So e raised to power 0 is 1, Laplace of the 4 is 4 by s, e raised to power minus 1s, Laplace of the 1 is 1 over s is my right answer of this problem. Fine. You also know how you can solve this problem. There is one more method you can apply by the definition also. This is the second method. Fine. E raised to power minus of s into dt. So I can break this interval from 0 to 1 and then from 1 to infinity. What is the value of the f of t from 0 to 1? It is a 4 e raised to power minus st. What is the value from 1 to infinity? The value is my 3. So e raised to power minus 3t into 3. Now can you integrate this? 4 is outside. It is e raised to power minus st over minus s from 0 to 1 and 3 is outside, e raised to power minus 3t, sorry, e raised to power minus s, e raised to power minus s, just let me clear this, e raised to power minus s t over minus s from 1 to infinity. So if I substitute 1, so it is my e raised to power minus s over minus s. If I substitute 0, it is a 1 over minus s, plus when I substitute infinity is a 0, and when I substitute 1, it is my minus s over minus s. Now you can see that it is minus 4 over s e raised to power minus s, minus minus plus 4 over s. If I open this bracket, it's a plus 3 over s e raised to power minus s. And you can see, if I solve this expression, and you will get the final answer is same of here. 4 minus 3 is a 1. So it's a 1 over s e raised to power minus 1. So you can see both the answers are same. So either you can apply by the definition or by using the unit step function. And this is always be easier. Okay, look at this quickly. I can write this in the form of the unit step function. It's a u of t minus 0, u of t minus 2 plus 4 times u of t minus 2, 4 of this, plus 8 u of t minus 4. So if I open this bracket, u of t plus 4t minus t square common, and it is a u of t minus 4 plus 8 minus 4t common, and it is a u of t minus, sorry, it's a t minus 2 and it's a t minus 4. Now can you find the Laplace of this? So what is the Laplace of this first component? A will be 0, e raised to power 0s, Laplace of simple t square, plus this case e raised to power minus, I can write here, plus e raised to power minus 2s. I can replace the small t to be the t plus a. A is my 2 at here. So 4 t plus 2 minus t plus 2 whole square, plus a in this case is my 4. So I can replace by t plus 4. So it is my 8 minus 4 t plus 4. So I can e raised to power 0 is 1. Laplace of t square is gamma function of 3 over s cube plus e raised to power minus of 2s. I can open this bracket. It's a 4t plus 8 minus t square minus 4 minus of this. So it is my 4 minus t square. E raised to power minus 4s. Again, if I open this bracket, it's a minus 16 minus 8. Now what is the answer of this? Gamma function of this is my 3, 2, e raised to power minus 2s, 4 over s is my 2 over s cube, plus e raised to power minus 4s. Laplace of the small t will be 1 over s square, and 8 will be 8 over s is the right answer of this problem. Okay, look at this another one. Again, you can write firstly in the form of the unit step function. So it's a t minus 0 and t minus pi over 2 plus cos of t u of t minus pi over 2. So I can open this bracket. So you can write as a sine this, and u of t minus common, it is a cos of t minus sine of t into u of t minus pi by 2. Now you can find the Laplace. What is the Laplace of f of t? So first term is 0. So e raised to power minus 0s. I can replace the small t to be the t plus 0. That's the same thing. Sine of t plus e raised to power minus pi over 2s. Laplace of, I can replace the number to be pi by 2 plus t. So that is a cos pi plus pi over 2 minus sine t plus pi over 2. So what is that? If you open this, e raised to power 0 is 1. Laplace of the sin t is 1 over s square plus 1. E raised to power minus pi over 2s. What is the cos pi by 2 plus t? That's lies in the second quadrant. It's a negative. This is also lies in the second quadrant. It's a positive. So this number. Now what is that? It's a 1 over s square plus 1. E raised to power minus pi over 2s. So what is the Laplace of this? It's, remember that cos pi by 2 plus t lies in the second quadrant. So second will be cos negative. It's a negative. It's a positive. So what is the answer of this? Minus 1 over s square plus 1, and it is s over s square plus 1. So all s square plus 1 will be LCM. 1 minus, here is the answer of this problem. Fine. So this is the right answer of this problem. Okay, again this is the case. So you have to firstly write in the unit step function. So it's the sine of t, u of t minus 0, u of t minus pi, plus sine of 2 into t, u of t minus pi, minus t minus 2 pi, plus the third thing, sine of 3 into t, u of t minus 2 pi, minus u of t minus 3 pi. Now I can simplify this. If I open this bracket, the first term is the sine of t into u of t, plus second term is t minus pi. So it is a sine of 2 into t minus sine of t into u of t minus pi, plus next one is the t minus 2 pi. So sine 3t minus sine 2 into t of u of t minus 2 pi, and the last thing is my minus sine into 3t of u of t minus 3 pi. Now you can find the Laplace. What is the Laplace transformation of this? The first case, a is my 0, e raised to power 0s, Laplace of sine t, plus in this case a is my pi, so e raised to power minus pi s. I can replace t to be the t plus a. So it's a sine of 2 pi plus 2t minus sine of t, that is a t plus pi, plus for this case a is my 2 pi, so minus 2 pi s. I can replace the t to be the t plus 2 pi. So what is the 3t? If I open them, it's a 6 pi plus 3 into t minus sine of 2 into t, that is a 4 pi plus 2 into t, plus e raised to power minus 3 pi s, Laplace of sine. When you replace the 3, it's a 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3 into t. Fine. Now you can see Laplace of e raised to power 0, Laplace of sine will be 1 over s square plus 1, e raised to power minus pi s. What is the sine of 2 pi plus 2t? That is the sine of 2t. And what is the Laplace of sine of 2t? That is a over s square plus a square. What is the sine of pi plus t? Is a negative minus sine t. So what is the Laplace of this is plus 1 over s square plus 1. Similarly, I can find the Laplace of this. What is the sine of 6 pi? Plus 6 pi will lies in the 6 pi plus this. It will be lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant will be the negative. So it is my minus sine 3 into t. What is the Laplace of this? Minus 3 over s square plus 9. Fine. Now, it is a first quadrant, 6 pi. So that's a 2 pi, then again 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi is a first quadrant. First quadrant is a positive, so it's a positive. 4 pi is also lies in the first quadrant. So this will be my sine 2t. Sine 2t will be a over s square plus a square, plus e raised to power minus 3 pi s. What is the 9 pi? Where is the 9 pi lies? It's a 2 pi, then 4 pi, then 6 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi will be here. So 9 plus this lies in the third quadrant. Third is a sign is negative, and once it's a negative, it will be my Laplace of minus sine 3t. What is the Laplace of minus sine 3t? This is my here. So that's the right answer of this problem. Okay, look at this another one. How you can, what is the meaning of this is, that means it's a t square when t is greater than 3 and other is not given, that's a 0. That's the meaning of this question. So can you write in the unit step function, it's a t square u of t minus 3 plus 0, there is no need to write. Then I can apply the Laplace on the both side. What is the Laplace of this? It's a e raised to power minus 3s. Laplace of, I have to replace small t to be the t plus 3. So t plus 3 whole square. Fine. Now make sure you have to written in each question, you have to written by using shifting second theorem. You have to mention the reason in your examination by using shifting second theorem. Now I can open this bracket, e raised to power minus 3s. It is my t square plus 9 plus 6 into t. Now I can find the Laplace. What is the Laplace of the t square? It's a 2 over s cube. 9 is 9 over s. 6 t will be 1 over s. Square is the right answer of this problem. Again you can see here, can you write this function, the unit step function? So e raised to power t, this is u of t minus 0 and u of t minus 1. If I open this bracket, it's a e raised to power t, this minus e raised to power t of t minus 1. Now using the shifting second theorem, I can find the Laplace of this. It's a e raised to power 0s, Laplace of e raised to power t minus e raised to power 1s. I have to replace t to be the t plus 1. E raised to power 0 is 1. Laplace of this is s minus 1 minus, how you can find the Laplace of this? I can break them. It's a 1t into e raised to power 1. So e raised to power 1 is my constant number which is outside. So 1 over s minus 1, e raised to power minus 1s into e raised to power 1. The rest part is e raised to power 1 into t. What is the Laplace of this? So s minus 1, I can, this is here, this number is s minus 1 is the right answer. Fine. Also you can solve this problem again with the help of the definition. What is the definition of this? You have to integrate this minus s into t, f of t into dt. So I can substitute this value over this domain. E raised to power minus s into t, f of t will be my here. Fine. Now you can see I can return this number is s minus 1 into t. Now you can integrate them. What is the integration of this? S minus 1 into t over s plus s minus 1. S minus 1. So if you substitute them, you will get again the same answer as here. Okay, now look at this another one. Now in this case, it is already written in this form, u. In all these previous cases, we have to written in terms of the u. You can see in all the cases, we have to written them. But right now, in this case, it is already written that. So I called this is my ft. So what is the Laplace of this ft? What is the meaning of this is? I can write this function is, whenever t is my greater than or equal to 2, this value will be my 1. So if I multiply this by 1, it will be my here. And whenever this number is less than of 2, this answer will be 0. So 0 multiply this by here. So you can write this function in form of here. You can write this function in form of this one. Now what is the Laplace of this? Again, a is my 1, a is my 2. So e raised to power minus as. Laplace of, I have to replace t to be the t plus 2. So it's a 2 times t plus 2 minus 1. Make sure you have to write the reason in each case by using shifting second theorem in your examination. by using shifting second theorem. Now e raised to power minus 2s, I can open this bracket 2t plus 4 minus 1, that's a 3. So what is the answer of this? E raised to power minus 2s is a 2 over s square, 3 over s is my right answer. Again, it is already written in the form of the u. Fine, that is a step function. Otherwise, the meaning of this will be whenever it is a greater than or equal to 3, this number will be 1. So it is my t square, otherwise 0. Fine. So you can write this function in terms of the unit step you will get here. So find the Laplace of this. So it will be e raised to power minus 3s. I have to replace small t with a t plus 3. So now I can open this bracket. It is Laplace of t square plus 9 plus 6t. Fine. Now you can find the Laplace of this minus 3s. Laplace of t square will be 2 upon s cube. 9 will be 9 over s. 6t will be 6 over s. Square is the right answer. Fine. Again, you can also solve the same problem by here minus this into ft. This is the second method. Okay, each question, whatever I have explained you in all these questions, you can solve each question by this second method as well. So I can break this interval from 0 to 3 and 3 to infinity. When it's a 0 to 3, that means answer is 0. Whenever it's a greater than, it will be e raised to power s into t of t square. Now you can integrate this by parts. This is my first function, this is my second, and after the solving you will again get the same answer. Okay, look at this one. Now I have to written this in the terms of the u. It is u of t minus 0, u of t minus pi, plus second function sine of t, u of t minus pi. So I can open this bracket. Pi minus t is a one term and u of t minus pi is a common. So another is sine of t minus pi plus t. Now I can find the Laplace of this function. So what is that? A is my 0 in this case. So e raised to power minus 0s Laplace of pi minus t, plus for this case a will be my pi. So e raised to power minus pi s. I have to replace small t to be the t plus pi. So it's a sine of t plus pi minus pi plus t plus pi. So e raised to power 0 is 1. Laplace of pi is a constant. It's a pi over s. S will be, or t will be 1 over s square, plus e raised to power minus pi s. Laplace of sine pi plus t, it lies in the third quadrant. Third will be the negative. It's a sine of t. So this pi will be cancelled out, plus t. So what is the answer of this? Pi over s, 1 over s square, e raised to power minus pi s. Laplace of the sine will be minus 1 over s square plus 1. Laplace of t will be 1 over s square is the right answer of this problem. You can see about the next question. Again, you have to write in the unit step function t minus 0 and t minus 4 plus 5 u of t minus 4. I can open this bracket, u t minus 0 is here, plus 5 minus 3t, that will be u of t minus 4. Now find the Laplace of this function. So it's a is 0, e raised to power 0 into s, Laplace of 3t, plus a is my 4, e raised to power minus 4s, Laplace of, I can replace small t to be the t plus a. So that's a 5 minus 3 times t plus 4. Now I can open this. Laplace of 0 is 1. Laplace of 3t will be 3 over s square. E raised to power minus 4s common. It is 5 minus 12. It's a minus 7. It is 3 over s square. E raised to power minus 4s. Laplace of this will be t, that's s square. 7 will be 7 over s. You can take a minus as a common, otherwise this is the right answer of the problem. Again, it's already given to you, so I can directly apply the Laplace transformation. What is the Laplace of this? A will be my 2, fine, and Laplace of, I can replace small t to be the t plus 2. So this is e raised to power minus as. So minus of 2s, I can written this function as e raised to power 3 into t, e raised to power 6. Now this is my constant which is outside, so I can written this is e raised to power minus 2s plus 6 is out, this is outside, and the remaining thing is here, and it will be 6 minus 2s. What is the Laplace of this is s minus 3 is the right answer. Fine. Make sure, student, if for example if somebody will ask you find the Laplace of this u of t plus 2, then make sure you have to compare this with the t minus a. What is the a in this case? A will be my minus 2. Then what is my Laplace of this? E raised to power minus as. A will be my minus of 2. Fine. And then you have to replace t plus a. A is my minus of 2, then it will be my here. Fine. So it is my this. Again I can written this number is my e raised to power minus into e raised to power minus 6. E raised to power minus 6 will be outside. It is my here and this number. So again the answer will be as this one. So make sure whenever it's a positive or negative, you have to compare this with the t minus a. Look at this another one. Again it is already be written in the unit step function. So I can find the Laplace of f of t. So a is my pi by 2 s. Laplace of, I have to replace this to be the t plus pi by 2. So sine t plus pi over 2 plus cos t plus pi over 2. So now I can open this. What is the cos pi by 2s Laplace? In which quadrant it lies? It lies in the second quadrant. Second is a sign positive and it's my cos t. Second quadrant is a negative minus sine t. Now you can find the Laplace of this. It's a pi by 2s. It is my s over s square plus 1. It is 1 over s square plus 1. So the answer is s minus 1 e raised to power minus pi over 2s over s square plus 1 is the right answer. Look at one more example so that you can practice a lot of the question in this lecture. So find the Laplace of this f of t. It already written as minus as. Laplace of, I have to replace small t to be the t plus 1. So t plus 1 whole square, t plus 1 and 1 is my as such. Now I can open this square. It will be t square plus 1 plus 2t plus t plus 2. So what is that? E raised to power minus 1s. It is my t square plus 3t plus 3. Now can you find the Laplace of now individual terms? It is 1s. Laplace of this will be 2 over s cube plus 3 over s square plus 3 over s is the right answer of this problem. So this is the way you can solve it easily, the shifting second theorem related problem. I hope you can enjoy this session too. Last question for you. Let's say f of t. Firstly you have to write in the unit step function tan cos pi into t u of t minus 1 u of t minus 2. So I can open this one, 10 times cos pi t u of t minus 1, 10 times cos pi into t u of t minus 2. Now find the Laplace of this. In this case a is my 1, so e raised to power minus 1s Laplace of 10 cos t plus 1 minus, in this case a will be my 2, Laplace of 10 cos pi t plus 2. Make sure in each case, in each example, you have to write the reason by using shifting second theorem. Now e raised to power minus 1s, it will be, what is that? It's a cos pi t plus pi. So pi plus this, it lies in the third quadrant, cos will be negative, so it's a minus cos pi t. So I can see minus 10 cos pi t minus, what is that? It's a Laplace of, again if I open that, it will be my cos pi t plus 2 pi. So 2 pi plus something lies in the first quadrant, is a positive, plus cos pi t. Fine, it's a 10 times. Now you can write the answer of this. What is that? Laplace of this, 10 s over s square plus pi square, e raised to power minus 2s is a 10 s over s square plus pi square. Fine, or you can make it little bit calculation, it's a minus 10s over s square into pi square common, it will be e raised to power minus 1s plus e raised to power minus 2s is the right answer of this problem. It's a minus is common, so I have taken. So this is the way you can solve all these questions. Simple. I hope you can like, share and comment on my video. We will see the next lecture on the more questions. Till then, best of luck students. Happy luck.